If you are typing in Photoshop and your text keeps going backwards instead of forward, I have a solution for you. Let's solve this together. So over here in Photoshop, you choose your text tool and then you want to type something. So type over here. Now this is working fine, right? But anytime you want to add something like a question mark or an exclamation, anything of that sort to it, you'd realize that your text keeps going backwards instead of forward. Now, if you check the alignment over here, you can set it to left align and your text will still be like that. Here's the solution. So first of all, you need to check your type features. So go to type and then go to language options and see if you have your text features set to any of these three. Currently, I have default features and that basically means it should work. But then if you go to the toggle character over here and you check your paragraph panel, you can only see this hyphenate. So we need to set it to a type feature that would allow us to have two different hyphenates. So let's go back to type and language options and set this to Middle East. Now, the moment you change it to Middle East, you'd realize from the paragraph section over here that it has changed. So we currently have a right to left paragraph direction instead of a left to right paragraph direction. So all I need to do is to select the left to right paragraph direction and your text should be fine. So now if I want to do another thing like Photoshop, exclamation mark, I'm good to go. And now I can select all of this and change my type to left align. And that's it. Problem solved. Now, once you have this, you can then go back to your type, language options, and then you can set this back to default settings. If you don't want to see the left to right or the right to left paragraph options over there. And yes, that's how you basically fix your type from testing backwards to testing forward with your exclamation mark, your question mark, and every other thing like that in Photoshop. This should work with every version of Photoshop that you're using. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more short, quick tips like this coming up shortly. See you guys in the next video. It's Innocent here, and bye.